that scene?
I feel like buti na lang madaldal ako. Like, I feel like I had to parang warm up na the situation before we shoot it, ganyan. And I made sure na parang comfortable and warm yung space, yung atmosphere. So, hindi iwas ilangan, ganon, and awkwardness. So, parang at the start, I feel like more kaba, not awkward. More, parang, oh no, first time namin pareho. So, we really didn't have like template kung paano sisimulan. I think pinaka-hard is the start, 'di ba? Parang anything naman in life, it's hard to start it. Pero once you're there naman, it's easier na after.
Ako mas nakaramdam ako ng awkwardness sa paligid. Hindi sa amin kasi ang daming tao. Ganun.
May camera din, tapos parang lumilipat pa sila. Ganyan.
Pero once naman na nag-roll na, focus na ako sa kasama ko eh. So, talagang naging smooth na lang nung during ginagawa namin yun.
Sorry. Nung finish niyo yung project, aware ba kayo na like ganito ka-mature yung character, may ganitong eksena?
Ako, yes. Ikaw ba?
Yes din. Yes.
So may gano yung siguro kaba or preparation na like before filming that particular scene, may ganun ba na mas kabado this taping day kasi ito na gagawin na namin yung mga mas
parang more of the intimate scene, mas kinabahan ako sa mga bigat na dadalhin ni Katrina, sa mga backstory niya, na mga throwback moments niya. Parang dun ako mas kinabahan. Like, hindi ko kasi alam kung parang gaano kabilis yung magiging taping. So, parang kaya ko ba to in a span of 4 days, tapos talagang pukpukan ng taping. So, yun, medyo I had to bring back the confidence as well. Kasi after MMK, syempre parang, oh no, sana naman maging maganda din yung next project ko after this. Pero buti na lang, I had my friends to remind na, hindi, kaya mo yan. Like, you have to believe yourself. So, it brought faith in me na parang, ay, hindi, kaya ko to. And I think kaya mas naging okay yung mga eksena namin.
Ano ulit yung question?
Siguro yun, kababa prior to filming that scene, may ganun ba na, I mean, this shoot day talagang mas awkward ba? Mas ganun?
Ako po hindi. Hindi ako, hindi ko siya kinakabahan na parang, ay, ito na yung gagawin na namin, ganun. Mas,
Excited.
nakita ko lang siya na, part lang siya ng movie, at gagawin namin to. Yung ganun lang.
And last question, kanina mentioned 7 years na kayong magkasama. Pero, ano siguro yung kahit one new discovery nyo sa isa't isa during this project?
Ako, new discovery. Siguro, how open he is na. Kasi he used to be very walled, even PBB days namin. Kasi he's an introvert. And he doesn't like sharing personal lives to other people. So ngayon, I feel like you're more open to letting other people into your life. Nag-share ka. So parang, wow, parang you were able to get past that, yung pagkatakot mo na parang makita ka, you'll be seen or vulnerable by other people.
Oh, thanks. Ang new discovery ko naman kay Karina, mas understanding siya ngayon.
Talaga ba?
I mean, kasi dati,
Alo, dati, may ganon.
Pagod na ako yung mga ganon. Pero ngayon, nakikita ko naman napapagod siya. Pero sinasabi niya, tara gawin na natin yung ganon. Parang yung mindset niya, gawin natin to, tapusin natin to. Yung clear talaga sa kanya yung purpose. Ayun. So, mas mapagtiis sa nararamdaman or situation, which is, I think, is a good trait.
Patience is a virtue. Charot.
Thank you. Promote na lang kayo dito sa camera.
Ayan. Hi everyone! Please do watch The Last Resort. Showing na po yan this December 8 at 8 p.m. on iWant.
Directed by Direct Christian Paulo Lat. Ayan.
And we would also like to say thank you to iWant and Mavex Productions and of course sa buong cast ng The Last Resort. Maraming salamat. Grabe sinamahan nila kami today. And of course sa mga special guests namin kanina. Bianca, grabe. Thank you. Pao. Ayan, salamat. And Mama Von for
thank you.
everything that happened today. And of course everyone, salamat. Ayan, I hope we get the word out about The Last Resort.
Thank you.
Habol
Photos na lang.
Ito, may
Ah,
pahabol
sige,
na
sige.
question.
Hindi, sige,
Ay,
go lang.
go.
Pahabol mo
Okay.
muna.
Ay guys, ano na lang ang Christmas wish nyo?
Christmas
Sa isa't
wish.
isa?
Sa self nyo muna.
Ah.
Sa
Okay.
self.
Ah.
Ikaw naman, gusto mo naman para sa... Yeah!
Gusto mo yun ako
Joke
ganito na.
lang. Christmas wish for myself. Ayoko maging parang super deep, pero talagang good health for my dad. Yes, kasi he's old na rin and he's going through a lot of health problems. So sana talaga maging okay siya and maging safe yun journey niya to recovery. And ayun, siguro more happiness and peace, and syempre also wishing for more opportunities with IWAN and with other genres din. Sana makapag-explore pa at mas marami pang trabaho.
Same din. Ako, basta healthy yung pamilya ko, masaya na ako. Pero aside doon, syempre, ang wish ko ay sana mas magkaroon pa ng maraming opportunities for next year.
Sa isa't isa naman.
Let's go 2026.
Sa isa't isa, mag-enjoy
Sa
ka.
isa't isa, okay.
Create new memories.
Parang nanenermon ka. Charot. Okay.
Mag-enjoy ka. Ayun, kwentuhan tayo. Sa susunod tayo magkita ulit.
Yes. Wish ko for you peace. Wow, grabe yung pagkaano. Hindi. I hope peace. Sobrang artista vibes, peace, ganun. Hindi, I hope you find the right people in your life to surround yourself with. Sana you'll always stay safe from evil thoughts or like anxiety and mga doubts, self-doubts. I hope you always keep that confidence, and ayun, I hope you get everything you wish for, more opportunities and projects with Star Magic.
Wow.
And yes, with Star Magic, sana ay they can see more potential in you and you'll be given more projects.
Oh, sweet
Grabe yun,
naman.
grabe yun. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
speaking of Christmas, syempre uso yung Noche Buena. Naniniwala ba kayo na kasya yung 500 pesos sa Noche Buena?
No.
Parang hindi. Sorry na.
Nainis din ako nung napanood ko yun eh.
Oo, medyo mahirap na siyang i-budget ngayon. Lalo na in this day and time. Parang Christmas is a very special day and we want it the Filipino way. Diba tayong mga Pinoy, ang Pasko, very important yan sa atin. Talagang grabe ang handaan and celebration. So, I feel like i-give naman natin sa mga sarili natin to be able to enjoy and spend more on Christmas.
Saka napaka-insensitive talagang sabihin na kung tutuusin, sapat na yung 500 pesos para sa Noche Buena. I mean, kung hindi mo yung nararanasan, you don't say that. Diba?
I think it's also a wake-up call kasi there was a lot of people also na told their stories na hindi talaga kasya, not coming from us because somehow we're at least privileged pa din na we can afford a good Christmas, pero of course for other people na who can't and were able to express their feelings regarding the 500 pesos Christmas Noche Buena. So parang it's a wake-up call for them na this is what the real people are experiencing and we have to do something about it to help them. Para naman buo ang Christmas ng Pinoy kasi tayo naman, 'di ba, family tayo sa Philippines. So sana magtulungan tayo and sana ma-realize nila 'yon.
And malapit na rin yung New Year, syempre. Ano naman New Year's resolution niyo?
New Year's resolution. Ikaw na ba?
New Year's resolution.
Oo, dapat sulitin na natin.
Oo.
Yun na lang. Sige, paabutin natin.
Gusto ko to hanggang Valentine's, hanggang Halloween na to next year.
Hanggang graduation
Sis,
ni Aljo.
hindi ko na kaya talaga.
New Year's resolution ko to make decisions, brave decisions. Ayan.
New Year's resolution ay learn to be kinder to myself, to sana puriin ko naman yung sarili ko, hindi puro judgment, it's kind of hard as someone who's very critical and perfectionist, so it's a work in progress. And of course, ano pa bang mga wishes ko for New Year? Wala, lang, mas healthy, and I'm starting to work out, so mas active and talagang self-care.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.